Okay, so this is gonna be Java. Okay, this is gonna be the very first programming challenge. It's gonna be Hello World. So this is what it's gonna be. So public is basically it's like open source. It's for access for everything. It's not gonna be like a private file. Super accessible, easy to get to. Class. It just class is basically right before your title name. That's all it really is. Hello World is gonna be my title. And for this one, we're gonna go ahead and write a description just so everybody knows what we're gonna be doing today. Um, pr- print out statements. Print out statements and how to use them properly. So if you want to do comments in Java, it's going to be basically double slashes. Double slashes. You could also do this as well. There we go. This is going to be like documentation. That's all it really is. Documentation, you keep going as much as you like. You know, literally write whatever you like, keep it going, just for code. It's a lot easier, but we don't need that right now. Anyways, so we have our whole title. Now we're going to get to our main method. This is going to be very standard for every single Java program. Pretty much all for the most part. So it is going to be public, static, void, main, parentheses, string with a capital S. We're going to go ahead and put our close brackets, arguments, but we're going to do args. Go down, open a brand new brackets. Okay. So in order to do a printout statement, we're going to go ahead and write system out dot print line, capital S, system dot out dot print ln parentheses. Go ahead and put your colon, your semicolon. So before you doing any statement in general, you have to put a semicolon. If you don't, code's not going to work in general. This is basically everything right in here is your code. And you're basically telling your compiler, like, hey, I am finished with my code once you input the semicolon. So go within the parentheses and go ahead and do your string. And a string is basically anything that has to do in a literal context, anything that you want displayed on an actual screen. So we're going to go hello world. And then we're going to go ahead and run it. Hello world. Now, if you want to do multiple, you're just going to repeat the same exact process. So it's going to always be system dot out dot print line, and we're going to go to goodbye world. Let's see, what is something system dot out dot print line. Okay, let's see. I just finished my first program challenge. I just finished my first program challenge within Java. Okay. There we go. Just like I said. See how I didn't do a semicolon properly? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just hit semicolon. Perfect. Okay, this is just gonna be for printout statements. If you want to learn about different printout statements, different print methods,